Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix the connected no internet error on Windows. This is super frustrating when your Wi-Fi shows connected but nothing loads. Let's fix it. Test on another device. Alright, first thing, test your internet on another device like your phone. If it doesn't work there either, the problem is with your router. Try turning your router off, waiting 30 seconds, and turning it back on. Now, if other devices work fine, open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Find Manage Known Networks and click on it. Scroll down and find your network and select Forget right beside it. Then reconnect by entering your password again. Flush DNS cache. Here's the thing. This next fix works really well. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Now type IPCONFIG //flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and often fixes the issue immediately. Okay, open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and click Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet and click Run. Let Windows search for and fix any problems automatically. And that's it. Your internet should be working now. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.